we're doing project management or any kind of management of dates or projects or anything that has to do with a date, and we want to know, is something overdue or not? Basically, we have a date. This is a date due in column D, and we want to know, is it overdue or not? We're going to write here equals if logical expression is going to be today with parentheses, which is an automatic function or formula which updates every single day and gives you the date of today. So is today greater than D2? So we can write this or select it here, D2. And basically, we're just saying, is this true or false? If it's true, meaning today is after D2, then we're going to write overdue in quotes. And if it's not, we're going to say, actually nothing. We don't even need to put parentheses there or quotes. We just have to put the comma. And this is overdue. If we change this to a date after today, it's going to disappear. In fact, all of these are not overdue. Now, if we copy paste this all the way down, you're going to see that this overdue shows up even if it's blank or there's nothing here. So we want to do one extra step, which is wrap all of this in another if is blank, and we're going to type in D2. So we need to make sure you have two commas here, because basically we're saying, is it blank? If it is blank, then do nothing. If it's not blank, give us, is it overdue or not? And now we can copy that all the way down, and you see, even if it's blank, we don't have any text here. Now, one interesting thing you can do here is use this text for conditional formatting. So we go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. We're going to apply to the entire range A to F, and we're going to say custom formula is equal to $F1 equals overdue. We're going to put, let's do it all in red, yeah. Click done, and now we can use this for conditional formatting as well. So let's say it's overdue, and it immediately has the text overdue, but also has conditional formatting, which is really cool. We can do this directly with conditional formatting without this text. We're going to delete the conditional formatting we had already, go up to Format, Conditional Formatting, and we're going to apply A to F, and our custom formula is going to be D1 is less than today. And already you can see that it also includes these blank. We can say if is blank D1 and do that, and there we go. We have to make sure the D has a $sign in front of it. So there we go. We got done. We'll actually change this to red again. Click done, and there. You can do that with or without this overdue text. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, learn automation, learn formula combinations, subscribe here on Better Sheets on YouTube.